Thinking about buying Expandly for your dropshipping business? Here are 12 things you need to know before making that decision. We'll compare it to competitors, so you know exactly what you're getting into. First thing, Expandly simplifies inventory management across multiple platforms like eBay, Amazon, and Shopify. It automatically syncs inventory and orders, so you don't have to worry about stockouts or overselling. While this feature is useful, tools like Sellbrite and Linworks also offer multi-channel inventory syncing with comparable effectiveness. Expandly's UI is intuitive, but some users find it takes time to fully navigate. Next thing, Expandly integrates with multiple suppliers, but its list of supported suppliers isn't as extensive as some competitors. If you're relying heavily on a variety of dropshipping suppliers, tools like Oberlo or Spocket might provide a broader selection, although Expandly does give you flexibility with its integrations. The third thing to consider is the pricing structure. Expandly's monthly fee might seem affordable at first, but it's tiered based on the number of orders you process. If you're scaling quickly, the costs can add up. Competitors like Shopify's built-in dropshipping apps may offer more predictable pricing with fewer surprises. Next thing, Expandly supports automatic order processing. This is a game changer, especially for busy store owners. It helps save time by processing orders in the background. However, some dropshipping tools like AliDropship or AutoDS also offer this feature, but with more customization for different types of products or platforms. The fifth thing is the reporting and analytics features. Expandly provides basic sales tracking, which can be helpful for keeping an eye on your profits. However, when compared to tools like DataHawk or A2X, Expandly's analytics are less detailed, so if you're looking for advanced insights, you might be better off elsewhere. Next thing, customer support. Expandly has a support team that's responsive, but there are reports of slower response times during peak hours. Competitors like Spocket are often praised for their quicker customer service and in-depth FAQs. The seventh thing, Expandly offers product research tools, but they're not as robust as those offered by tools like Salehu or Jungle Scout. If you're serious about finding trending products, you might want to explore these other options. The eighth thing is Expandly's ease of use. Most users report that it's easy to get started with, but once you scale, some find the platform can become slow or a bit cumbersome. Compared to alternatives like Shopify's native dropshipping apps, Expandly can be a little behind in terms of speed. Next thing, Expandly's marketing tools are basic. You'll find some email marketing integration, but the options are limited compared to tools like OmniSend or MailChimp, which offer advanced marketing automation features. The 10th thing, Expandly supports multiple currencies and languages, which is essential for international dropshipping. This gives you an edge over platforms like Oberlo that are more limited in this regard. Still, if you're selling in specific countries, other tools like Spocket might offer better localization features. The 11th thing is the learning curve. While Expandly is user-friendly for beginners, some users report needing extra time to get familiar with all its features. It's not as intuitive as tools like Shopify's built-in features, which cater more to beginners with clear setup guides. The final thing is scalability. Expandly is a good solution for small to medium-sized businesses, but if you're planning to grow fast, you might run into limitations, especially when it comes to customer support and processing larger order volumes. Competitors like Shopify and BigCommerce offer more scalability options out of the box. Overall, Expandly is a solid choice for starting a dropshipping business with decent multi-channel support and automated order processing. However, if you're looking for a more feature-packed and scalable option, we recommend checking out our top choice that you can try for free.